Hi everyone and welcome back to Dundas Models, and today I'm going to share with you one of our new product ranges that we've managed to get in stock. It's one that I'm really quite excited about and I'm hoping it's going to be quite popular, and that is the 009 selection of items that we have. The kits that we've got are from Dundas Models. Now, whether it is part of the old Parkside range or not, I'm not 100% sure, I will admit. However, we have got them and they do look similar to the old Parkside kits, but they are really nice kits, and I'm hoping that they're going to be really popular with you guys, because a lot of people did ask for 009 when we did our survey earlier in the year. So I've got in what you've asked. So let's go through this rather large box of kits that we've got. I've gone for quite a range really in simple kits. So starters, we've got this nice Hudson four-wheel, obviously it's a four-wheel, open plank wagon. So it's a nice simple little engineer's wagon. They come complete with the wheels. You can see the wheels just in the bottom there, and a few other accessories. So that's a nice little kit. They're all obviously injection moulded, and so we've got those. Also from the Hudson range, we've got the traditional V tipper wagons. We've got these as a single pack, or actually as a big pack of 5, so you get 5 in that big pack, so that's a lot more expensive. But again, you get the the wheels in with those. Now these ones are probably going to be quite popular for those doing sort of colliery layouts like mine here, so I'm going to probably have a few for myself after probably the next order lot, to put on my little end gauge, the narrow gauge bit on there. So we've got those. Now one that I'm hoping is going to be quite popular with the latest Helgen Linton and Barnstable locomotives, which are coming out very soon. I think the prototypes were announced yesterday, I think it was. So as such, I've managed to get some L&B specific wagons. So we've got the early, is that the early type? We've got 2 types of the open wagons. We've got the early and the late type. The main difference being that one has a side opening door, the door opens sideways like a pair of doors, and the other one opens top out like that, or top down, like so. But again, really nice kits, and I'm sure they're going to be quite popular. And as well as that, we also managed to get a little box fan as well. So that'll, if this proves popular, we'll obviously add to the range of the L&B stuff, because we can get the carriages and things as well. So while we're talking of railways which still sort of exist, I decided to get some Festiniog slate wagons as well. So these are nice little 2-ton slate wagons. Now they had hundreds and hundreds of these on the Festiniog system apparently. So I thought that's going to be quite popular, especially if Bachmann do actually produce the little Alice class locomotives. But obviously I do know that you can get a lot of the Festiniog type locomotives anyway in kit form from the 009 Society. But again, this pack also comes as a pack of 5, so you can get a big, a nice 5 pack of that particular wagon. Now the last wagon kit we've actually got is a little bolster wagon. Now you actually get 2 wagons in this kit. So it works quite well, but it's ideal for putting like little track panels on, or girders, or lengths of rail, or whatever, or long bits of timber. I am going to start looking at getting wagon loads for the longer wagons, so that would be suitable for these as well. So do watch out for those. Now the thing is with these kits is they don't come with couplings. So you have to remember that when you buy one of the kits, to make sure you go and buy the BMO coupling set. Now there is a link in every single one on the website. So if you go onto the website, you go through, select which model it is, whether it's like the bolster pack, You need 2 of these packs for that particular kit, because there's 4 in there. But you need to make sure you get the right coupling for it as well. Now these come in a pack of 2, or as a big bumper pack of 10. Now the 10 I would recommend if you are getting the big 5 packs, like the Festinio Slate Wagon 5 pack or the Hudson Tippers. If you get that big pack of 5, get the big 10 pack, because it works out cheaper for you. So that is the warning. It is there, black and white. So that is, they are available, and obviously, if we need to get more couplings, I'll obviously get more couplings in as we go on. Now, moving forward with more of the 009 stuff, I do want to get, I want to expand this range quite well, because it's a lovely range and they're really nice guys. Excuse the sound of the saw next door. They're renovating the house next door, so it's a little bit noisy occasionally. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I'm hoping to obviously expand the range of the 009 sets, and hopefully bring in the carriages, bring in different wagons, and so on, just so there's a bigger range for you, as well as obviously, like I said, getting in the wagon loads to go with them. And if there's anything else 009 specific, I will obviously try and get that in as well. But obviously with 009, basically it is the narrow gauge version of 00, or your 4mm scale. So anything that is in the 00 range, detail wise, will be perfectly acceptable to use on your 009 layout if you're building a 009. So anyway, that's enough for today. I hope that you're enjoying the lovely, glorious sunshine, and once again, thank you so much for all your love, care and support for us and for every other model shop around the country. We have really appreciated you spending your money with us, and I obviously hope that it will continue going forwards, obviously for the rest of the year. So again, thanks very much. You guys take care, and we'll see you again very soon.